Unlocking the secret to a hefty bank balance with nothing more than a Google search sounds like a daydream. But here's the twist. It's reality. Over $12,000 in a month, and not a dime spent on investments. Forget the online surveys leading you in circles. We're cutting straight to the chase of building a genuine income-generating powerhouse. This strategy unfolds as a masterclass in digital entrepreneurship, illustrating how the synergy between Google Docs and TAMU can unlock unprecedented earning opportunities. Google Docs, with its user-friendly interface and robust functionality, acts not just as a tool, but as a digital canvas, ready to host a mosaic of ideas, strategies, and content pieces. It's where the blueprint of an affiliate marketing empire begins, allowing for the creation of compelling content without the hindrance of software cost or technical limitations. TAMU, on the other hand, isn't just another affiliate program. It's a gateway to untapped markets and a testament to the evolving landscape of e-commerce. It challenges the dominance of giants like Amazon and Alibaba by offering something they can't: higher commission rates and a fresh marketplace eager for new affiliates. TAMU's unique position in the market means less competition for visibility and a higher potential for profits, a rare find in the densely populated affiliate marketing arena. The combination of Google Docs and TAMU is more than just a convenience, it's a strategic advantage. This approach allows individuals to craft and distribute quality content seamlessly, bridging the gap between product offerings and potential customers. The content created in Google Docs can effortlessly be tailored to highlight the benefits of products found on TAMU, creating a direct line to conversions and commissions. Moreover, this strategy democratizes the field of affiliate marketing, making it accessible to novices and veterans alike. It eliminates the barriers of entry, such as an initial investment in technical expertise, paving the way for anyone with determination and a knack for content creation to succeed. The potential for scalability lies in the hands of the creator, with each piece of content acting as a building block for an ever-expanding online presence. This isn't merely a method for generating passive income. It's a framework for building a lucrative online business. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. In this era of digital abundance, the creation of engaging content stands as the bedrock of a successful online strategy, especially when it comes to leveraging platforms like TAMU for affiliate marketing. This is where the finesse of personal touch meets the efficiency of technology, specifically the prowess of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT. Imagine embarking on this journey not solo, but with a powerful ally at your side, ready to distill your ideas into compelling narratives. ChatGPT, with its capacity for understanding and generating human-like text, emerges as more than a tool. It becomes a collaborator. The process begins with clarity of purpose and a dash of creativity. By inputting prompts that align closely with your audience's interest and your marketing goals, you initiate a dialogue with this AI, which responds not just with text, but with potential directions your content could explore. However, the true magic lies in the customization. It's in this phase that your unique voice, your insights, and your personal flair transform the AI-generated skeleton into a living, breathing piece of content that resonates with your audience on a deeply human level. This isn't about replacing the content creator, but enhancing their capabilities, enabling them to produce more, faster, and with a consistency that builds trust and authority over time. The goal is clear: to create not just any content, but content that speaks directly to the needs, wants, and curiosity of your audience. This requires a keen understanding of who they are and what they seek, coupled with the ability to infuse AI-generated drafts with personal anecdotes, humor, and the kind of genuine insight that can only come from human experience. It's this blend of efficiency and personalization that sets your content apart in a crowded digital landscape, making it not just seen, but felt. Every piece of content crafted is a stepping stone towards establishing a robust online presence, one that is capable of attracting, engaging, and ultimately converting your audience into loyal followers and customers. With tools like ChatGPT at your disposal, the content creation process becomes not just easier, but more dynamic, allowing for greater experimentation and personalization than ever before. Optimization and distribution. The final touches on your articles in Google Docs bridge the gap between good and great, embedding affiliate links not as mere afterthoughts, but as seamless parts of a compelling narrative. This strategic insertion transforms your content from informative to actionable, guiding readers towards making a purchase that feels like the next natural step in their journey of discovery. But creation is only half the battle. The artistry of your content unfolds in its sharing, in finding those platforms where your voice can not only echo, but resonate. Medium.com and SlideShare.net stand as bastions of visibility, each with its unique audience eager for content that enlightens and engages. Medium, with its community of avid readers and writers, offers a sanctuary for articles that delve deep, that challenge, that inspire. SlideShare, in its visual-centric approach, gives your insights a stage, transforming them into presentations that captivate and inform. The nuance of effective content distribution lies not in casting a wide net, but in targeting with precision. It's about understanding where your audience congregates, what formats they prefer, and how they engage with content. It's a dance between being present where they are while also inviting them into your sphere, your affiliate ecosystem. Each platform requires a tailored approach. Medium thrives on depth and authenticity, SlideShare on clarity and impact. Your strategy then becomes one of adaptation, molding your content to fit the medium while retaining its core message. Yet visibility alone isn't enough. Engagement is the key that unlocks the door to conversion. This is where the craft of compelling calls to action, or CTAs, come into play. A well-placed CTA is not a shout into the void, but a hand extended in invitation. It's the difference between a reader who nods in agreement and one who takes action. The art lies in making each CTA feel less like a sales pitch and more like an offering value, a next step for the reader eager to delve deeper into the topic at hand. Optimizing your content for visibility and engagement is a meticulous process. It involves fine-tuning titles for SEO, enriching articles with relevant high-quality images, and crafting meta descriptions that pique curiosity. It's about leveraging the strengths of each platform to your advantage, utilizing Medium's tagging system to increase discoverability, making the most of SlideShare's visual appeal to capture attention. Sharing your articles then becomes an act of strategic dissemination. It's selecting platforms not just for their reach, but for their alignment with your content's essence. It's about creating a cohesive content ecosystem where each article not only stands on its own merit, but also contributes to a larger narrative, one that leads the reader on a journey from interest to action. In this landscape, enhancing and publishing content transcends mere distribution. It's about building bridges between content and reader, interest and action, curiosity and conversion. It's a process that demands not just creativity and insight, but strategic thinking and a keen understanding of the digital terrain. Stepping beyond the realms of content creation and distribution, there's a pivotal shift towards establishing your digital footprint firmly with a personal website. It's not just about enhancing credibility, it's about crafting a space that's unequivocally yours, a hub where your content and affiliate links can live, breathe, and generate income over time. This move isn't optional for those eyeing the long haul. It's fundamental. Enter Hostinger, your ally in this endeavor. Renowned not just for its reliability as a web hosting service, but also for its innovative AI website builder, Hostinger breaks down the barriers to entry in the digital space. It's about more than just getting online. It's about getting online with efficiency, with a platform that's intuitive, responsive, and most importantly, effective in converting visitors into engaged readers and customers. And because every little bit helps when you're embarking on a new venture, here's a nudge in the right direction, a special discount code exclusively for viewers. This isn't just a savings, it's an investment in your future online empire. Hostinger's blend of affordability and performance makes it an ideal starting point for anyone serious about making their mark on the digital world. Wrapping up, this journey from curious explorer to content creator and savvy affiliate marketer isn't just about following steps. It's about embracing a mindset of growth, innovation, and persistence. Each phase, from leveraging Google Docs and TAMU to optimizing and sharing your content, and finally, securing your online presence with Hostinger, is a step towards autonomy, towards building something that not only generates income, but also resonates with your values and vision. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.